Why condenser is recommended to be replaced when a compressor is replaced? The condenser cools and depressurizes the gaseous refrigerant to release the pressure of the discharge side of the compressor. If a compressor is damaged, generally the AC loop needs to be flushed to remove the contaminated compressor oil for oil replacement, owing to the multi-tube internal structure of the condenser. If some tubes in the condenser are blocked by oil sludge, they will keep being blocked during flush process since flush liquid only passes through the unblocked tubes. If the compressor is damaged due to mechanical wear, it generally produces metal chips. Most of these metal chips will exist in the compressor, crankcase, and condenser, and there are only a little part of metal chips flow to the low pressure side because of the structure of condenser and flow restriction of expansion valve. Therefore, when replacing a compressor, it is recommended to replace the condenser at the same time, then use a proper equipment to flush the AC loop to completely replace the compressor oil and discharge the impurities out of the system. This can effectively reduce repeated repairs.